Tenchijin optimizes land usage by using satellite data and AI. As everyone knows, climate change affects almost all of the people and almost all of the company in the world. But the most impacted industry is agriculture. One statistic mentioned that in these coming 20 years, the yield will be decreased by 10 to 25%. It happened in Japan also. For example, for apple farming, right now, almost all over Japan, we can grow apple, but it's going north and north. And then in the future, only 1/3 of the area in Japan is suitable for apple farming. Maybe the best place for apple will be Hokkaido. This kind of situation will happen almost all of the crops and vegetables and fruits. A lot of farmers worry about what is happening now and what will happen in the future. Our solution, Tenchijin Compass, supposed to understand what is happening now and then what kind of change will happen in the future. We analyze each field by using satellite data and AI, and we find characteristics and potential and risk of each field, and then provide some insight to our clients. For the agribusiness, we are providing 3 solutions. First is find right land if client have a specific type of the crops or vegetables. And then also we provide the recommendation for best mix of the crops and vegetable for specific area. And then also we provide some insight about the risk of pest and insect, which is also impacted by the climate change. For example, one of the projects is Zesupuri, the world's largest kiwi fruit producer. They are from New Zealand, but they wanted to expand the site outside of New Zealand, especially near from Japan. So we analyzed entire Japan and then created the map, which is the best place for their kiwi fruits. And also we provided a bit specific information for each field, like who is the owner, what they are growing right now, and so on. And also using our AI algorithm, we compare with the best place in New Zealand with each places of Japan and put a ranking, the best place, middle, low, and so on. By using these data now, Zesupuri can negotiate with farmers to convince to grow their kiwi fruits. Another project is a collaboration with Shinmei Holdings, which is the biggest rice distributor in Japan, and also Enowa IoT solution provider. And we created new high-quality brand of rice. So we selected one area to grow the selected type of the rice. And then we support to grow rice by providing temperature data to manage irrigation better. Last year, we got the first result. And then the quality was quite good and the sales also good. So we are now expanding the activity this year. And also for the carbon related issue, we collaborate with BX, which is a carbon credit trading platform. And we support the farmers to get more carbon credit and also more sustainable way of farming. What we did is we provided one platform to select best intercrop in their orchard. And then we analyze which kind of intercrop is fit to that area and which kind of intercrop sequesters carbon most. So based on the recommendation, they can select best intercrop to sequester carbon. So we already collaborate with this industry also. It is not only agriculture, but also like a real estate, forestry, energy, city planning also. We created the company 2 years ago and certified by JAXA, Japanese Space Agency. And also we got several awards. If you're interested in, we are providing 3 types of the service. If you don't know how to collaborate, how to use the satellite data, we provide a one-shot consulting, which we customize our solution and the satellite data to your needs. And if you know which kind of data you need, we provide the data by using API automatically to your system. And if you wanted to analyze by yourself, we provide a map service, and on that platform, you can use the satellite data and you can analyze it. So we like to collaborate with these industries like agribusiness, real estate, government, financial companies, and also we'd like to collaborate with some data provider. So if you're interested in, please contact us. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Okay, do you have any questions? Showing again.
What is the granularity that you're able to provide? How small a piece of land can you analyze to determine what's best for it agriculturally?
Okay, thank you very much for the question. So actually, it really depends on the needs from the customer, and it depends on the data we use. So all the time, once we get the needs from the customer, and also we ask the budget they have, we carefully select which kind of data is best for this project. And then the granularity is depends on that, like the data source. But in many cases, we analyze it by the 500 meters granularity is basically normal case, and also the cheapest one. And if the customer wants more high granularity, also possible.
Okay, and you have a question? No? Okay, let's go to the questions from audience, online visitors. Does your solution include data source gathering?
Yeah, so the discover new crop and learn for display, right? So basically, what we did is discover new land, right? And the discover new crop is not really discover, but we select we list up the potential, like some options, and then we select which is the best from that options. That's what we do normally.
So do you source the original data?
Yeah. Yes. The data is basically we gather by ourselves. Yeah.
Okay. What type of data source is supported in your platform?
So basic data is basically environmental data, like temperature data, rain data, sunshine radiation data, and so on. And then we add some soil data, especially for the agriculture, and also some geographical data. It's So these are the basic data, and it depends on the needs from the customer. Sometimes we put some like map data. Sometimes the customer wanted to find a place near from the factory, near from the common transportation, and so on. So we add this kind of data, something like that. So basically, we use environmental data from satellite, but we can combine many type of data. Depends on the needs from the customer.
Okay, maybe that's all. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.